Tip number 4 is all about headroom. The way you position yourself in your shot is actually quite important. A great rule is if you put your 4 fingers together and on top of your head, and that hits the top of your screen on your phone or your frame on your camera, that is ultimately where you want your big melon to be. Now whether you're in portrait or landscape, you can apply that rule and it's a great way to kick off. We suggest using a fixed camera position because there's nothing worse than unflattering angles if you're too low or too high when you're holding your phone or your camera, and also movement is a little bit distracting and can make people a wee bit giddy. Kia ora, it's Scott here from the Content Club, and this is just one part of our Getting You Ready for Video series that we've just made. There's 5 more videos right here for you to check out, and if you got some value out of this or you liked it, please give it a share and make sure you're following along to the Content Club on Facebook and Instagram for more videos just like this. Cheers.